Hi guys, my name is Ed. I'm doing this video to share my experience working with Softtrix. I used multiple different SEO companies prior to Softtrix, and I wasn't really sure whether they were doing a good job because, to be honest, I didn't know much about SEO and how it worked and how it related to PPC, and so Softtrix was introduced to me through a friend who also had a good experience. And I've been working with Lovely, who has been really great, explaining to me exactly how it works, creating custom reports for me to show progress weekly. They're available for meetings regularly, and it's been amazing seeing the results week after week. We meet to discuss new keywords that we want to target. He shows me all the backlinks that he creates, and I'm really happy with the results. A lot of our products are now on the front page. The keywords that we specified, I just see it going up every week. So really enjoy working with Softtrix. Lovely is a great account manager, and I recommend them highly.